official and one unofficial. Now in the youth group, into the 6th place, Dmitry Borovsky and Lisa Alexandrova, Master Finland Suomi.
Soome tantsupaar on arvanud siis noorte osalemmas 6. koha. Aplaus!
Into the 5th place, couple who were 3rd in rumba, Vosit Basov, but still in the 5th. From Romania, Alexandru Cristian Mihai and Andrei Raluce Maria.
Külalised Rumeeniast võtavad enda koju kaasa 5. koha finaalist.
Into the 4th place, couple from Belarus, Arseniy Shastakov and Maria Shakanskaya, Современный style.